What should we do?
Shut up already, I did this all day. What was that?
PS1. PS1, wake up. The house is on fire.
I was almost done sleeping. What the heck? I'm so sad that the house burned down.
Atari 7800 caused this.
You can't stop me.
What the hell is even you anyway?
I am Atari 7800. I am a classic game console and beat PlayStation MUHHHHHHHHHH.
Oh my god. Clones. Attack.
Come here, I will destroy.
Wait, hold up, por favor, you too powerful.
We did it. We destroyed him and we will get history. Woohoo. Oh. Stupid Atari 7800. Attack.
What have you done to me, brother?
What do you mean?
Just ignore her. She is a Atari console. I am PS1. I am a console that it's similar to my friend. PS1. I am a home built in Japan only. Well, Europe too. Console built for whatever, whenever and forever.
After my previous fat version arrived in 2006. I was a slimmer model released in 2009. I was packed with the DualShock 3. I had a reject button and a revamped Sony logo.
I am Xbox One S. It was first released in 2015 à 2016. It was the first Xbox One console to feature a slim look. It looked loosely identical to the One X, my little brother. And One, my original brother.